everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. This is Candid Prerna Ghosh. So this video is for the students who want to pursue their marine career from the IMU campus itself. Okay, so those who have a sponsorship, like those who are pursuing with DNS, or some few of the cadets they want to pursue with BTech, but they do get sponsorship from a very few companies, about which I have already discussed about one of my short videos. Now coming to the point, what is this whole procedure of getting a campus allotted with by IMU itself? Okay, so the very first thing you need to keep in mind that this procedure is not applicable for the private colleges. Yes, IMU has given the complete right to the private colleges that they can have their own procedure, they can have their own tests conducted to allot seats to a particular candidate. Now to the point, those who have a DNS sponsorship, they can the colleges will be allotted to them by their company. Now coming to the point, those who want to pursue with BSc, BTech in marine engineering and BSc in nautical science from the IMU campuses itself, what are the procedures to get into the IMU campuses? Starting with the video, first remember that after you clear your Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test of 2024, that is IMU CET 2024 we call it, after you clear your examination, there will be a provisional rank list issued by IMU. Yes, that provisional rank list will be made according to your result, the performance which you have given in the common entrance test. Also your PCM percentage and several other things will be kept in mind while preparing the provisional rank list. Now coming after that, the rank list has been published by IMU. IMU will have a notification on its portal. There you need to click on that and a counseling sector or a counseling corner will be opened to you. Now this counseling corner, what you have to do in this counseling corner? Nothing but you have to fill up your details. For example, a person is assigned or a person got a rank of 1200 in IMU CET's provisional merit list. Right now he wants to opt for BTech Marine Engineering and the college he prefers is IMU Kolkata campus. Okay, so after he opens up the counseling portal or the counseling corner, which will be issued by the IMU itself, there he will be putting up his preferences. In preferences, I want to mean that the college he would like to opt his degree from. Okay, for example, that person wants to opt his degree from IMU Kolkata campus. So in the first preference, you will be putting up the name of IMU Kolkata campus. One thing also I need to mention over here, that what are the which campuses comes under this procedure. So there are 6 campuses of IMU which comes under this allotment criteria or this allotment procedure. That is, first your IMU Kolkata campus, IMU Chennai campus, Kochi campus, Navy Mumbai, IMU Mumbai Port campus, along with IMU Visakhapatnam campus. So several other courses are being performed over this campuses. Some go for MTech also. Some campuses are specially designed for BSc Nautical Science. So it depends. But again, coming back to the counseling part. So after you fill up your preferences, your list of preferences, there you need to pay a minimum amount. Okay, so the amount is till the last year it was 10,000. Now after you pay your amount, the IMU will now tally whether according to your provisional merit list, according to your rank, you are eligible to get a seat over there or not. If you are eligible, so in the next list which will be coming up, or generally we call it as a first merit list, there IMU will be allotting you with a seat in the preferred colleges. For example, in the preference list which you have put, you made it like number 1 you gave for IMU Kolkata campus, number 2 you gave for IMU Mumbai Port campus, and the number 3 you gave it for IMU Chennai campus. So according to your rank or your merit list, you couldn't qualify for IMU Kolkata campus, but you made it till IMU Mumbai Port campus. So the IMU will be allotting you a seat to the same. For example, if you cannot make it into any of the campuses, then your name will be your name will go forward for the second merit list. The previous one which was being issued was called as the provisional merit list. The first one will be called as a first merit list, and so on. The second merit list, the third merit list will come over. Coming to the point, what if my name does not come in any of the merit list? Will I get back my 10,000 rupees or not? Yes, obviously you will be getting back your counseling fee amount, but with a minimal of deduction. Some amount will be deducted and the other will be refunded back to you. Now many of the people, you can think that okay, I won't accept any seat, okay, the seat which is being allotted to me, and after some time I'll get back my total money. No, you are mistaken. If you are being allotted with a seat and if you do not confirm the seat, you won't get back your counseling fee. Okay, after you are, now getting back to the main point, after you are allotted with a seat in any of the campuses of IMU which you have preferred for, then you have to pay a fees of 25,000, and it might vary because I am telling you according to the data of the last year. You have to pay an amount of 25,000 to confirm your seat. That's the confirmation fees you have to pay, and this fees will also be adjusted with your first semester fee. So it's not like that you are paying it completely and again you have to, somewhat it will be adjusted with your first semester fee. So after that, college will ask you for the verification of documents and stuff. This was the campus allotment procedure of IMU. So in this way, IMU does allot you with a campus among the 6 campuses. If you find this video helpful, do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share with people who are in necessary need of this information. Also, if you want me to make a separate video on what are the documents you need for the campus verification, or what are the documents you need to have before you go for your institute, do comment me in the comment section. I'll try to make it as soon as possible. Thank you. Take care.